Without a doubt, Shiba Inu Shib is one of the best-known cryptocurrency projects. The project has had both good and bad times. The Shib team is also working on a number of launches that could have a positive effect on prices. Failure of the empire hurt the cryptocurrency market in a way that can't be denied. During the chaos, almost every cryptocurrency on the market lost value. The value of well-known cryptocurrencies like BTC and ETH went down. In the middle of all the drama, the Shiba Inu burn effect has gone up and down. On some days, the rate of burning seems to be high, but according to the data from Kucoin, it seems to flow on some days. In the last 24 hours, the rate at which Shib is burned has sped up quite a bit. Today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu burn rate skyrockets by 4,952%. So watch this video all the way to the end, because the video for today is going to be a bomb. We're glad you stopped by. Shibas are your daily dose. This is the place to be if you are interested in everything about Shiba. Sign up if you want to stay on top of all the predictions for Shib news and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Let's get back to the subject. The Shiba Inu burn effect has gone up and down over time. On certain days, the burn rate seems to be high, but according to the data from Kucoin, it seems to flow on some days. In the last 24 hours, the rate at which Shib is burned has sped up quite a bit. Now, let's talk about some more big news. Should you still put your money into Shiba Inu? Here are the pros and cons. Shiba Inu Shib is without a doubt one of the most popular cryptocurrency projects. Project has seen its fair share of highs and lows. Moreover, the Shib team is working on several launches that might bring in some positive price action. Despite that, the project has broken its promise more than once. However, is the project primed for even more growth? Should you put more money into Shib? Or is it just another project that hasn't worked out? Let's check it out. Why and why not to invest in Shiba Inu? Pros. One of the most anticipated launches from Shiba Inu is the impending Shibarium Layer 2 network. The goal of the network is to make Shib transactions faster and cheaper at the same time. Shibarium was supposed to come out in the third quarter of 2022, but development delays pushed the release date back. The other good thing is that Shib, the metaverse, is coming soon and is also being made. Once again, we do not have a fixed launch date, but the project has many people excited about it. The third good thing about Shiba Inu is that whales still eat Shib, even though the dip has happened. Ethereum whales like the dog coin a lot, and Shib recently made it into the top 10 in terms of how much they traded. Shib also has its fair share of cons that might turn an investor away. Firstly, there have been a lot of delays in upgrades, as mentioned above. The Shibarium launch was scheduled for Q3, but the team did not meet the deadline. Things like this don't look good for the project. The other bad thing is that the rate at which Shiba Inu's burn has not made the price go up. Shiba burn rate recently hit 4,497.73, but this did not mean that the price was going up. The excitement got so high that Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev and other top executives couldn't avoid being asked about Shib listing in interviews. This was after the community worked hard to get Robinhood to notice their presence. On April 12, 2022, Shib was finally added to the main exchange. The Shib community has a lot of power in the crypto world, and the Robinhood listing is a great example of this. This showed how strong the Shiba army was and how determined its investors were to get things done. All major exchanges are now using Shib, which shows that the dog-themed token is not to be taken lightly. Since Hey Robinhood, when Shib is no longer heard, the calls are slowly becoming, Hey Shiba Inu, when then? Shibarium. So now our main quest is Shiba Inu. When Shibarium was on the Robinhood list, it was seen as a big deal. Shibarium is now where the target is. The community is now going after Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of ShibaSwap, in the same way they went after Robinhood. When Shibarium is starting to show up under every tweet that Satoshi has sent out lately. Even though the phrase is just getting started, if Shibarium doesn't come out on time, it could blow up to a whole new level. If the team doesn't release Shibarium soon and investors have to wait, it won't be long before Shibarium starts to pick up speed. History could repeat itself and trigger a new round of community efforts to get Shibarium in place to know what could happen if Shibarium release gets vehemently delayed. Please read the first paragraph of this article again, for the love of God. Last month, Vitalik Buterin, the world's youngest known crypto billionaire and founder of Ethereum, gave 50 trillion SHIB tokens, worth about $1.2 billion, to India's COVID relief fund. This brought the Shiba Inu coin back into the spotlight. Sandeep Nailwal and Elon Musk started the company. Elon tweeted that my Shiba Inu will be named Floki. In response to Musk's tweet, many people asked what Floki was all about. Some people thought the name referred to the Marvel character Loki with an F, while others posted memes about how the tweet could start a crypto war between investors in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin. Musk also kept saying that he didn't like Bitcoin's maximalist efforts. These are the efforts of investors who think that Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that will really rule the decentralized currencies. Also, let's not forget that the team behind Shiba Inu Shib started a new part of its story on Tuesday when they released Shiba Swap. The blog post says that the impulse caused the price of Shibas to go up by about 2%. When Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange, came out, there was a lot of talk about what it would do. Some crypto fans didn't believe it would come out, while others thought it was just a rumor, and many fake websites were spread around to change the price of the SHIB. At the time of the launch, a big jump was expected. Shiba Inu said on its website that users of its platform can dig, provide liquidity, bury stake, and swap tokens to make money. Wolf comes back thanks to a clever and unique passive income reward system. After launch, its price rallied above $0.9, but quickly lost a position. Price gets rejected yet again at these levels, yet still holds a strong grip over the bullish trend, and hence revisiting above these levels is quite possible. Shortly from now, the multiple rejections at $0.9 levels converted into a strong resistance zone, and hence a massive breakout appears to be mandatory. But right now, the price is testing the new support levels at $0.8. If the price can't stay at these levels, it may take a small step backwards, but a big drop in price doesn't show up in price changes. Any time from now, Shiba will likely remain in the current channel. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. So, before you buy anything, you should do a lot of research on the subject from many different angles. We hope this video was fun for you. Tell us in the comments section below. If you own a Shiba, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Wealthy Coin.